The Assagao Panchayat and Comunidade conducted an inspection of alleged illegal hill cutting and road construction by Delhi-based builder Vainar at survey number 97/2 near Colina Hotel Assagao. Villagers alleged that Vainar was attempting to concretize the eco-sensitive Assagao hill. When grilled by the media and the people, the attorney of AssagaoComunidade left the place on his two-wheeler. People of Assagao also alleged that Vainar had violated environmental law and had indulged in cutting of trees and destroyed the abode of animals. Despite the stop work order issued by the Assagao Panchayat, the builder had also constructed a road on the hill, which is a biodiversity hotspot.
It's very sad and very frightening that most part of this Assagao, this lovely village, is being taken by these Delhi people. Sometimes we say, when I spoke to CM some time back, he said, who's selling this land? It's our own. Yes, that is very sad part. But not the people who are really staying here. Those mostly people have migrated to other countries, that they are selling this place. Not the people are staying here. But a day will come that we'll have this big concrete jungles over here, which is happening in other villages, and we will starve for water. We will starve for electricity. Today you all know what has happened to Madhev. If that it comes to reality, we will have these concrete structures, but we won't have water for our children. The rich and the famous people who are coming this from Delhi, they can afford to buy water even 1,000 and 2,000 and 5,000 rupees a bottle. But we Goans, we will not have this.
Deputy Collector, Flying Squad, आणि कंप्लेन दिल्या मी पेपर असतो. आता तो कोमदाचो मनीस म्हणटालो एटॉर्नी म्हणटालो कितें खेडेस्वेल पेनार रस्तो आहा म्हण पूण दोंगरार रस्तो नासलो हो दोंगर आतां कापला रस्तो तर आसलो रस्तो खंय आसलो कित्याक बांदला रस्तो तरी म्हणटा ते रस्तो आसलो पयलो आतां मॅनिपुलेट करूंक शकता डॉक्युमेंट्स की रस्तो आसलो म्हण दाखोवपाक जरी तर रस्तो आसलो कित्याक दोंगर कापून बांदलो दोंगर कित्याक कापलो तुमी दोंगर कातूंक जायना देखून टीसीपीन रिपोर्ट दिला टीसीपीन आम्ही काल डेप्युटी कलेक्टर म्हणला त्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टरचा रिपोर्ट सांगला की त्यांनी डोंगर कापला आणि नवो रस्तो बांधला.
Given the permission to use it, like all the other villages are using it. That's it.
Okay, use करपाक मेळटा बट सगळ्यांक परमिशन तुमी दितले
सगळ्यांक म्हणजे कितें
म्हणजे जाय ते परमिशन दिवप
खंयसर दिवप काय परमिशन तो म्हणटा वयर हिलाक पासून परमिशन दिवप
in short,
ही आतां वयर मरे
it is a road in the old cadastral plan. Have you checked your details first?
This is a no development.
Sorry, check your details first. It is a road in the old cadastral plan.
Is it a road in
And
the
stop recording.
regional
I'm not
plan?
answering.
Is it a road in the regional plan, sir?
Pardon?
Is it a road in the regional plan?
It is.
In the
And
regional
even
plan.
in the cadastral, old cadastral plan
In the
also.
regional plan. Is it a road in the regional plan?
Of course it is.
Beyond this?
Yes,
रोड
beyond this.
रोड
बट हांगासर
रोड पाथवे
Road.
रोड
I'll tell you one thing. The proper forum, 10 people are going to question me. It's not going to
सो आयज आमचे 24th फेब आमचे इन्स्पेक्शन आसले पंचायत प्लस कोमुनिदाद. सो सध्या आत्ता पंचायत आमची येऊन गेली पंचायत बॉडी तसेच कोमुनिदाद अटर्नी येयलो. सो पंचायतीन आमचे जो तेंच्यांनी सर्वे करून आला तो सर्वे केलो आणि आता आमकां सांगला की आमच्या मिडियांनी तांकां क्वेश्चन केले की बाबा तुमी हेजे फुडें कितें करता तेंच्यांनी सांगलें आमी कितें आतां लिगल घेतलें. ओके बरें आहा. सो हांव मागता आमच्या पंचायती कडेन की तुमी जे डिसिजन घेवंक जाय ते बरें स्ट्रॉंग डिसिजन घेवंक जाय कित्याक तुमकां दवरल्या आमचे गांव राखपाक आसगांव जो विलेज आहा पळय तो. ओके सो तुमचे कर्तव्य आसा की तुमी आमकां आमच्या विलेजरांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें तशेंच आमचे लँड जे आतां दोंगर हे विकपाचे न्हू. जशे प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टीज कोणी आपल्या ओनरांनी विकल्या तांकां कोण काय म्हणू शकना जावं कितें म्हणू शकना पण जे आतां हे उरले पळय ते दोंगर ते हे विकूंक दिवपाचे ना जावं हे कोमुनिदाद मेन म्हटल्यार ही कोमुनिदाद ही कल्पीट आसा. कित्याक आतां ताका जेन्ना आमच्या मिडियान ताका क्वेश्चन केलो जाल्यार मिडिया हो आमचो अटर्नी जो आहा पळय हांगाल्यान नेल्सन नाव सरनेम कितें फेर्नांडीस नेल्सन फेर्नांडीस जो अटर्नी आहा पळय आसगांव कोमुनिदादीचो. सो हो तेन्ना ताका मिडियान आमचे विचारले जे थोडेशे प्रश्न जाल्यार तो पळवलो.
Prakash Gadekar for Herald TV.